Kayla. Welcome back to StyledByKaylaXO. We are back! So this is actually take 2 of this daily vlog because I was gonna vlog and then give a life update, and then I did on a day where like I didn't have anything important to vlog other than the life update. So we here now. We're gonna try again. So after this clip there will be a clip from a couple days ago where I kind of fill you guys in on what my life has been like, where I've been, why I'm back, and all of that. But I also have a couple hauls in this video. So we're gonna start with an Erin Condren haul, and then I'm gonna go to work and I'll check with you guys later. But let's start here. So this box is kind of a weird hodgepodge of the seasonal surprise box and some things that I ordered. So I'm going to show you some things that I ordered first. First, I got the dual tip markers in Earth. I thought these shades are really nice for fall. I got myself a soft brown notebook with the lined paper and the rose gold with just my name on it. Thought that was pretty. Then I am doing stuff with my sorority local alumni chapter, so I ordered myself a new notebook for that, with the Theta letters on it, which I thought was cool. And then this is all the seasonal surprise box stuff. So there's this cute little pencil holder, which I'm so excited to put on my planner, even though I don't think it matches the cover I have right now, but oh well. This adorable desk pad that has like a to-do list, hydrate, notes, daily schedule. Take that to work today. A new cover. I think this is from like the wedding collection, but gorgeous for fall. I might put this on my planner right now, actually. Some sticker sheets and a little desk set, which is absolutely coming to work with me today, even though I have so much desk office supplies. This is still coming with me. And that, oh wait, no, there's something else. A little gold ruler, which is also going to come to work with me, even though I don't need it, but it's going to come with me, because why not? So that was my Erin Condren order. My mom opened it thinking it was hers. Focus, there we are. And I was like, wait, that's my stuff, why'd you open it? But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and I'm going to go to work, and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Ooh, alright, so I am in the car. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. It's fine. But while I'm getting kind of situated, I thought I would fill you in on kind of what my life is. My phone just reminded me to go to Starbucks. I love my phone. I am not teaching anymore. I think that's the last kind of job life update that I gave you guys. I am, woohoo, sorry, checking emails. I am no longer teaching. I accepted kind of a stepping stone to my dream job, which is awesome. I am the director of education at the theater I've been working at, which is really cool. It's a full-time job in theater. Like, I don't know what more I could ask for. So that's where I'm headed right now. Except no, I'm not. I'm headed to the grocery store to get lunch because it's only 8 and I don't work till 10. I just got ready really fast and was like, let's go. Didn't even realize how quick that I got ready. So yeah, I'm really enjoying that. It's been, I guess I've been there almost a month now, which is wild. I mean, I've been there 3 years, but I've been in this position for almost a month, and it's been kind of slow starting. Obviously, there's not much to do until fall programs start, but it's really good and I'm really enjoying it. So that is what I'm doing right now, and it kind of has opened up some weird slots in my schedule now, where I feel like I have time for YouTube again, which is great. I also, and we can get more into my all my metaphysical beliefs and stuff another time. But I've been feeling there's been a lot of signs just pointing back towards me coming back to YouTube, and I was kind of like, oh, whatever, I'm pushing it to the side. But I think that they really were sincere, and they mean this is what I should be doing right now. So yeah, I'm back. The most recent, well, no, there's been a couple really recent ones. First of all, my subscriber count has been going up. So welcome all you new people who have never seen a new video from me. Welcome. so that's been great. And one of those subscribers was one of my newer friends who's one of my coworkers. And she's like, well, just in case you decide to post a vlog or something, when she subscribed. And I was like, we'll see. You know I'm a little busy right now. And then I just had this like urge to buy a new camera, like really, really bad. And I came into some money where I had enough money to buy a new camera, so I now have a nice new G7X. More expensive than my DSLR. Was not expecting that. I had never really looked into a new vlogging camera because I was like, oh, whatever, my cheap one's fine. Yeah, this is more expensive than my DSLR, which is crazy to me because I thought my DSLR was so expensive. But I'm in a different financial place now, obviously, so yeah. It was totally fine to spend that much money on a camera. I just need to not break this because I cannot afford that again. And there's a couple other things. They just kind of been stacking up. I got my final payout from Style Haul, from all of that creator program changing nonsense. And so just all these little things, I'm just like, is it time? Is it time to bring back StyledByKaylaXO? So here I am. We're definitely gonna be taking more of a lifestyle approach this time. I know I started the channel off as a fashion channel back in high school, and then that slowly evolved more into makeup and beauty, and then I started dipping my toes into lifestyle and vlogging. I had a separate vlog channel for a while that it might still exist, but it does. I'm uploading vlogs to this channel because my tagline is Lifestyle by Kayla, so why wouldn't I put my life here? And then it kind of segued into my fitness journey for a little bit, and then I started teaching, and so I just didn't have time for it. So I'm kind of back to, this is my life, and I want to share it with you again. Definitely things have changed, obviously, as they're wont to do in 7 years of a channel. Or yeah, I guess we're on the 7th anniversary. Would have been last week. September 1st would have been the 7th anniversary of this channel, which is insane. I started this channel in 2012 as I was starting my senior year of high school, and was just like, yeah, I'm gonna do YouTube because I can. Because my singing channel, I was like, no, that's done. And so I was like, you know, I'm going to try being a fashion YouTuber. Then I quickly realized that's a lot of effort. I love clothes, I love fashion. I have a ton of new stuff I'll show you probably tonight when I get home from work, or in another vlog. I'm wearing all entirely new clothes today. So I definitely still will have elements of fashion in this channel, but having an actual fashion channel is a lot of work. Like, props to those people who actually can handle having a fashion channel, because I can not. So fashion will be coming through. Beauty, I'm not wearing any makeup today, obviously. I'm trying to, my skin was kind of a mess this year because of other reasons, not because of makeup. And so I've been trying to let it kind of come back to, I've had great skin my whole life, and then this summer it was just bad. But makeup is still something I love. I still order it all the time. I have a ColourPop order coming tomorrow, I think. So makeup will still be definitely a big part of this channel because it's a big part of my life. I just have been trying to give my skin some grace, which means not wearing makeup. Health and wellness, I've definitely fallen off a little bit. I mean, I'm being good this morning. I have my toned up protein shake. But it's definitely kind of hit or miss with me right now, especially when it comes to my Hashimoto's and PCOS and my gluten-free diet for that. It's not so much the what I'm eating has been terrible. It's the, well, I mean, it's the what, but like not in the like, oh, she's just eating junk food all the time. It's, there's been a lot of gluten, and that's been problematic. I feel like garbage all the time, and also that's part of why my skin was a mess. So I'm getting back on track with that, slowly but surely. The new job also, I just kind of panic mode and have been stressed and have not done really anything to take care of myself, which is stupid. I don't need to do that. So yeah, there's a lot of getting back on track. I really like vlogging, so we'll see. Vlogging kind of feels easier in my life right now, because though I still like won't really take you guys into work, it's not like I so strictly can't show you my life anymore because it was so consumed by teaching. And obviously I still work with children and I still teach in the theater setting, and so there's still that kind of confidentiality and decorum in a sense, but it's different. It's definitely different than being a school teacher, which is awesome. Yeah, so it'll just be interesting. So I know this was like kind of a long rambly section, but I kind of wanted to update you guys. I know I said this wasn't gonna be that video, but I guess it is, which is fine by me. This will be a longer vlog. It means I don't have to make a sit down video about it. So I'm going to go get coffee, finish this protein shake, and then I'm gonna go to the store and pick up stuff for lunch, and I'll probably go to Target and get some stuff for my office too, because I'm still kind of putting that together. So I will check in with you guys at some point. I forgot I also had my first Wink order in, so I'm gonna scooch this over here, move these scissors, and we're gonna open this. So let's see, this looks like just information. Yes. Aw, cute. Welcome to Wink. This is my first order. So I've got 4 wines in here. Your girl loves wine. So we've got Rosa Obscura Red Blend. Ooh, that's a pretty bottle. I do love a good red blend. A Chop Shop Cab Sauv Love. Oh, let's just take this part off. We've got Folly of the Beast Pinot Noir. That's a cool bottle too. And, because it wouldn't be a Kayla order without a bottle of rosé, some Summer Water Bubbly, which is sparkling rosé apparently. So let me just line these up. They're a little dusty. Oops. That is my first Wink order. I'm a red wine drinker for sure, but I had to order a rosé. I might try some whites next time, but I'm definitely more of a red wine person. So I want to show you guys those before I head off to work. All right, I am home, and as you saw, I poured myself a glass of one of my new wines. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. This is the Folly of the Beast Pinot Noir. So, cheers. That's really good. So I just got home at 7:30, got a glass of wine. I ordered myself some takeout. Almost just fell. And I'm gonna kind of chill, watch some TV. I got some stuff to haul for you guys eventually when I go back upstairs. A tour to order, some stuff I picked up at the store today, and ColourPop. But I'm gonna do that later. Right now I'm gonna chill, catch up on my shows, drink some wine, eat some takeout, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I opened the boxes and took out receipts so that I wouldn't accidentally show my address and have to refilm this clip, because I think I pulled something in my leg, and so standing right now hurts really bad. So then I went into a store down the street from where I work called Crescent Moon Gifts and got some stuff. So first I got this really cute tarot deck, the Crystal Tarot. I thought it looked pretty. Can't wait to look through some of these. I just was wanting a new deck. And then I also got Greek mythology reading cards, which is like an oracle deck. And I like my Greek mythology, so I got that. Then I got some tumblestones. I got 2 opalite because I couldn't decide which one I liked better. So I picked up 2, and then 1 black tourmaline, which I thought this was just a really cool shape for a tumblestone. And nothing wants to focus. There we go. So that's what I got there. And then this Torrid order came in, which I don't really remember what all I ordered, honestly. So we'll see. Definitely shoes. So we've got a black... Oh, this is the pajama romper, I think. Let's pull this out. Yeah, it's just like a tank top. Little shorts romper. That's pajamas. Got some scrunchies. My favorite Torrid underwear, which is, I know, overshare, but it's the seamless boy shorts. They fit like volleyball shorts. So comfy. And then a red bralette, because I don't have one, which is weird for me, because I love red. And then, this is what I really meant to order. These boots that I thought were gorgeous for fall and winter. So that was the intention. So I'm going to put all of this away, and then I'm going to show you the ColourPop stuff. Alright, so I'm like awkwardly kneeling on the floor of my room because my back now hurts. I'm just a mess. I'm falling apart. It's fine. So I have the makeup in front of me, so I'm going to readjust because now I'm just in a lot of pain. It's fine. I'm going to go to bed after this. I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you some stuff. So here is the So Jaded palette, which is like beautiful. You know me. I love my crystals. And then beautiful, unlike my singing. Let's just look at these beautiful shades. I am like instantly drawn to topaz. Focus. Like, look at that. I want to put that all over my lid right now, but I'm going to bed, so I'm not going to. So let's just go through. We'll go quad by quad. No, it's not in sets of quads, so that won't work. We got diamond, rose quartz, ruby, my precious sunstone pearl, royal jewels, fluorite, moonstone, citrine, garnet, ametrine. Oh my god, these are beautiful. Look at them all. I also love jade because I love just a good green. And opal is giving me life too. Those two, just the really sparkly ones. Those two, girl, so good. Okay. And then we had just the 2 shadows I didn't show you before, which are pretty much the same color. If I can get this one open. Ah, no, you're falling. Hello? Yes, so that's the Scorpion pigment. Oh, and the Scorpio shadow. Same color. But yeah. So now I'm gonna go to bed because I'm in a lot of pain and I'm really tired. So this vlog turned into more of a life update / haul than anything. But hey, now you know the new stuff I got that I'm gonna be trying out and where I've been. And we can just get back to work. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!